Welcome back to MCAT Solutions Knowledge Sharing blog. In today's video, we are diving deep into scope in automobile design. If you're new to this, just realize it's a huge and diverse field. There are opportunities for people with all sorts of skills and interests. From those who love getting their hands dirty with machinery to those who are creative and design-oriented, or those who are good with technology and software. It's an industry that's constantly changing and adapting, making it an exciting place to build a career. You might find yourself working on designing the next generation of electric vehicles, developing software for in-car entertainment systems, or figuring out how to make cars more sustainable. What is an automotive industry? Imagine the world around you. The cars, motorcycles, trucks, and buses you see every day on the road. First, making the vehicles, manufacturing. Second, designing the vehicles, engineering and design. Third, supplying the parts, supply chain. Fourth, selling the vehicles, sales and marketing. Fifth, keeping vehicles running, aftermarket and services. Areas of focus in automobile design. First, exterior design. This involves the overall shape, form, and styling of the vehicle's exterior, including elements like headlights, taillights, body panels, and aerodynamics. Interior design. This focuses on the cabin space, including the dashboard, seating, ergonomics, materials, and overall user experience. Color and trim, CMF, design. This specialization deals with the selection and application of colors, materials, and finishes for both the interior and exterior of the vehicle, contributing significantly to its aesthetic appeal and brand identity. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design. With increasing connectivity and technology integration, UX/UI designers focus on the interaction between the driver and the vehicle systems, ensuring intuitive and user-friendly interfaces for infotainment, navigation, and other features. Concept car design. This involves creating futuristic and innovative vehicle designs that explore new possibilities and technologies, often for motor shows and to gauge public reaction. Design research and analysis. This area involves studying market trends, consumer behavior, and technological advancements to inform the design process and identify future needs and preferences. Vehicle design engineering. This role bridges the gap between design and engineering, ensuring that the aesthetic designs are feasible for production, meet safety standards, and consider factors like aerodynamics and structural integrity. Custom vehicle design. This niche caters to individual clients seeking unique modifications or bespoke designs for their vehicles. Growing demand and career opportunities. Strong automotive market. India is one of the largest and fastest growing automobile markets globally. This translates directly to a higher need for innovative and appealing vehicle designs. Electric vehicle, EV, revolution. The strong push towards electric mobility in India is generating a new wave of design opportunities. EVs require fresh approaches to vehicle architecture, battery integration, charging solutions, and overall aesthetics. Government initiatives. Schemes like Make in India encourage local design and manufacturing, further boosting the demand for skilled automotive designers. Increasing consumer awareness. Indian consumers are becoming more discerning about vehicle design, features, and technology, pushing manufacturers to invest more in design innovation to attract buyers. Growth in related sectors. The increasing demand for personal vehicles and the development of urban mobility solutions, like electric two- and three-wheeler, are creating niche design opportunities. Essential skills and qualifications. A bachelor's degree in automotive design, transportation design, industrial design, or mechanical engineering is often the starting point. Master's degrees can provide specialized knowledge and enhance career prospects. Strong artistic and creative abilities, coupled with a technical understanding of engineering principles and ergonomics, are crucial. Proficiency in computer-aided design, CAD, software, and other digital design tools is essential. Excellent sketching, rendering, and 3D modeling skills are highly valued. An understanding of vehicle aesthetics, aerodynamics, manufacturing processes, and safety regulations is important. Effective communication, teamwork, and project management skills are necessary for collaborating with engineers and other stakeholders. Staying updated with the latest trends, technologies, and software in the automotive industry is vital for continuous growth. Salaries and remuneration. Salaries vary based on experience, skills, and the specific role. Entry-level designers in India can expect an average annual salary ranging from 3 rupees to 6 lakhs. 3. Mid-level designers with a few years of experience can earn between 8 rupees to 20 lakhs per annum. Senior level and lead designers with extensive experience can command salaries ranging from 15 rupees to 40 lakhs or even higher. Salaries in developed countries like the USA, Canada, the UK, Australia, and Germany are significantly higher. The scope in the automobile industry design is dynamic and expanding. Driven by technological advancements, sustainability concerns, and evolving consumer demands. It offers a rewarding career path for individuals with a passion for cars, creativity, and technical aptitude.